Hi guys, this is Srinath. Subscribe to Technical Guide and press this bell icon to get the latest technology videos. Hi guys, this is Srinath and we are back with another video, and today we are unboxing electric kettle from Pigeon. This is the product which we have received from Amazon. You can see it. It's a good packing from Amazon. So we'll just unbox it. This is the Pigeon Electric kettle, which consists of 1.5 liters capacity and 1 year warranty in it. So you can see completely. And here comes the MRP of it. MRP is 11.95 and which is recently manufactured. So we'll just open and see. So there is no seal for it. Let's see how the product will look like. So this is what we got. So this one is the main thing. Almost this is the heart for the Pigeon Electric kettle. So this will heat up the kettle completely. So this one, we need to keep it safely. And here comes the kettle. So inside nothing there. This is the user manual as well as the 1 year warranty card from Pigeon. Right, we'll keep it aside. Kettle comes like this. You can just see. I'll just open and show it to you. So here, this one is really big. 1.5 liter capacity means it will serve many people. So here comes the nozzle, and under the top of it you have the power on off switch. Actually it is auto cut off, but if you want to stop it manually means there is a power cut off over here. So that's it. So if you want to use it, just we need to place, this one is there, right? And bottom of this one you can find something nozzle like this. You need to place the nozzle inside this, just like this. And the cable length is really small. It is not even 1 meter, I guess. Let's see, I'll just open. It's pretty small cable length. So I'll just show you how does it look like. Here comes the indicator, power indicator. It will blink. I'll just show you. We need to press like this and open. You can see inside it, brand new. So 1.5 liter capacity is very big. I think very much useful. If you go with the 1 liter capacity, I think it will be too small to serve a family. And this one is used for boiling the milk and for preparing tea, other stuffs, especially using for boiling milk, boiling hot water. So guys, we have connected it to the power right now. So you can see the power cord plugged in, and you don't find any indicator over here. See, the switch is here, on off switch. So here you need to switch it on like this, and you can see the indicator glowing now. So that's it. Or just I'll make sure. Yes, you can see it, right? So I'll just switch it off here like this. Yes, you can see indicator gone. That's it guys. This was the just overview.